All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today we are getting into this really pretty curly hair from Nadula hair. So if you are interested, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so first things first, just going in and applying a little bit of foundation to the lace. I did actually bleach the knots on this unit and pluck the hairline a little bit more, but I lost that footage, so there goes that. So I'm just going in and laying these hairs down in the front. So the flatter your hair, the better the install. So here is the hair, you guys. I am wearing their 24-inch 13x6 lace wig. It's 180% density, and of course it's the curly wig, and I just knew this hair would be bomb, so I went on ahead and plucked it, and I think it came out pretty decent. I rarely pluck, you guys, so you know, cut me a little slack. So yeah, just going in with my freeze spray and then the bed head. I'll put everything that I'm using down in the description box, linked in my Amazon store, so that you guys will have it. But I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing here. Just a coat of freeze spray, a coat of bed head, and then going to blow dry. But on the sides, like where my ears are, I only use the freeze spray because I feel like the hold with the freeze spray is a little bit better. So at this point, I just had to stick with, you know, what I've already, you know, been dealing with, which is the freeze spray. So the lace on this wig was comfortable, you guys. I was at one point just spraying my freeze spray like directly on the wig and then like laying it down that way or melting the lace that way. But I find that I only like to do that method whenever I'm working with transparent lace, because it just, I don't know, it's just so much faster and works so much, you know, much better for me doing it that way. So this is why I'm just spraying it directly on my skin and then applying the wig on top of that and then blow drying like you see here. So after everything is dried, I'm just lifting up the hair, just getting all the crusties out, and you know, just kind of just using my rat tail comb and just smoothing it all out, making sure nothing's sticking too bad. And then I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of powder. I felt like the lace wasn't like really matching my skin, so I just put a little bit of bronzer on top. I don't know if that helped or not, but I think it was okay. So yeah, so here is the hair. It is beautiful. This is freshly washed and deep conditioned, you guys. The hair is 180% density, so keep that in mind. I actually recorded this video before, but the footage did not come out very well. So this is like my second time recording this video, and I can tell you that with this 180% density, the hair gets pretty like full. I don't want to say super big, but it gets really full. I like it. I'm not a stranger to big hair, but if you're, you know, kind of on the fence about it, I would definitely go with, you know, 150% density. So I do use a setting foam, the Cream of Nature setting foam on my edges, and I try to apply it to the hair and not the lace, because it does have a tendency to kind of start lifting up if you don't work quick enough. So I think I'm gonna start trying maybe a gel to lay down my baby hair. I was having some difficulties with my baby hair because I think I kind of over plucked a tiny bit, but life happens, and I think it came out pretty good. Also, I do like to apply my wigs first before I apply my makeup, just because it doesn't leave a mess. I don't have to worry about anything. The times that I've done my makeup first and then done my wig, because I don't want to look all busted on camera, it just made the process of just cleaning up a whole lot more difficult. And so that's why you guys always see me like makeup free, and then I come back with little foundation and stuff on. So also these strips that I am using are in my Amazon store. I love these things. I just always get a really great result on my, or like around my hairline whenever I use them, like you'll see right here. So yeah, highly recommend these if you do not have them. So next I'm just gonna go in with styling this hair. I love curly hair for this simple reason, is that it just doesn't need much much effort. This hair is already really pretty. The curls on it are beautiful. So I'm just taking my water and I'm just going to lightly spray that, not like drenching it or anything like that, just enough to detangle, which I haven't done. So I'm just pulling out some more shed hairs from plucking and all that great stuff. And then I'm gonna go in with the Cream of Nature setting foam as well and just apply that onto the hair. I want to try a different like curly product. So if there is a product out there that you really like, as far as something that will really define the curls but not like give you a super hard crunch, let me know. I just want something that's going to keep the definition, especially living here in Houston. The heat and humidity is coming very soon. So I just want something that'll keep the definition and not make me look like Lion King after, you know, a few hours. A great way to, you know, increase the longevity of your curly wigs is simple: to not use so much heat. You really don't even need heat with this wig. So no blow drying, anything like that. Just keep the curls because they're beautiful. And also just making sure you are deep conditioning this hair. Curly hair will get drier much faster than straight. It's just a known fact. So just make sure you're deep conditioning whenever you wash it, and just keeping it nice and clean, and you should be fine. But that air drying makes all the difference, you guys. So yeah, just adding a little bit of foundation, concealer, whatever I'm using to the part, just to define it a little bit more, and then lifting up those baby hairs so they're not sticking to my forehead, and just trying to make it look a little bit more natural. And that is pretty much it for this look, you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. All the information to this beautiful wig will be down in the description box as well. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.